Today we're going to be teaching you how to make these thrifted wood bowl candles. First, I found these vintage teak bowls at the thrift store, and I thought they'd be perfect for this. I had some wicks on hand, but I wish I would have used wood wicks. Then you need some popsicle sticks, soy wax flakes, and a hot glue gun, and you can also use essential oils if you want yours to have a fragrance. So I just used my hot glue gun to secure my wicks to the bottom of the bowl, and you just want to make sure they're kind of evenly spread out so your candle will burn evenly. These were slightly too small for this bowl probably, and I think the wood wicks would have helped a lot. Then I just use popsicle sticks to kind of pinch the wicks straight so that they don't fall down into the wax while it's drying. Then you're going to melt your soy wax flakes. So sometimes I do this in a glass Pyrex in the microwave. This time I tried it in a metal bowl because that's all that I had on hand. And then I just simmered some water and then put the metal bowl right on top of that and let the wax melt all the way through. Then you'll just pour your wax in your candle, and this is where the Pyrex with the pouring spout would have been easier, but this worked. And then you're just going to let it dry completely. Mine took about 24 hours. Once it's dry, you can trim the wicks down and then it's ready to use.